This isn't the future of cars, it's the future of timelessness. Because real luxury doesn't age, it evolves. For 116 years, Bugatti has followed one rule: create something so pure, it never needs to chase trends. Every Bugatti is designed to outlive its era. The Tourbillon is no exception. Step inside and you don't see technology, you see heritage. The iconic Bugatti centerline flows from the exterior straight through the cabin, shaping two bespoke worlds, one for the driver, one for the passenger. This isn't interior design, this is identity. Hand-selected leathers, newly developed fabrics, materials chosen not to impress, but to endure. Bugatti calls it car couture, the precision of haute fashion translated into motion. But luxury without discipline is meaningless. Every surface, every line, every mechanism had to meet the realities of safety, performance, and the road itself. This is a hypercar designed to be driven, not preserved. In a world obsessed with screens, Bugatti chose rebellion, analog controls, mechanical feedback, a deliberate rejection of digital overload. Just like a fine timepiece, this car is meant to be passed down, not updated. A fixed hub steering wheel, a fully analog instrument cluster crafted with Swiss master watchmakers, skeletonized dials, mechanical beauty, time made visible. This is what true luxury looks like. Not louder, just better. Subscribe to NYK Luxury, because now you know what luxury really means.